All right, Z-Man here. My hair's a little messy. We got to fix the flat tire. I got to limp over to a tire repair place. The first thing I got to do is try to plug it and then fill it. I'm going to plug it by taking a screw and drilling it into the hole, which is right here. In there. Right there. Not there. There. This is all the glue last night that I bought from a tire repair kit, and I'm gonna have to take a screw and just screw it right there. So I'm gonna have to move my car backwards about 24 inches. Porsche gives you this tire pump. You take the cigarette lighter, which actually isn't a cigarette lighter, it's just an AC adapter. You open it up down here and you plug it into the car like that. There we go. All right. Then you take the pump out. Right. Then you take the screw on this guy all the way. You can hear it. All right. Right there. Okay. Using the hand screwdriver, so much better. The leak is halfway in, so luckily I found the exact screw, the diameter, and a flathead. So it won't pop out when I'm driving over to the tire shop. All right, it's almost all the way in. Just got a little nub sticking out. There we have it, a plugged tire. Now all that's left to do is fill it.